Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I want to discuss why I think the OnePlus 13 will be the phone of the year for a lot of different creators, a lot of different folks out there. I think we'll pick the OnePlus 13 as the phone of the year. The only problem I can see with that is some people may forget that it came out this year in the USA because, you know, it's only January. But with the recent release or discussion about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, I don't think any other OEM will come close to what the OnePlus can offer someone for a really decent price. Now, the only one that can do that would maybe be Google with the Pixel 10 Pro, maybe XL. That could be a really good competition, but I think people will skip out on the S25 Ultra because I hate to say it, I mean, I have Samsung everywhere. I have a Samsung Watch, I have the Fold 6, the Flip 6, the S24 Ultra. I've been having Samsung for a while now, and this year it just seems like they're more worried about AI than actually giving you better specs or giving you more than what the people are looking for. Yeah, AI is great, but I think what you get with the OnePlus 13, with the specs in here, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, with the 6,000 milliamp hour battery, with the 16 gigs of RAM, with the 512 gigabytes of storage, with the cameras on here, which we already had 2 updates regarding the cameras already, and the phone has only been out for about a week and a half now, almost 2 weeks now, and there's already 2 updates about the camera. So the camera on this phone can only get better, and they are working to even make it better than what it is already. So I can only see this phone getting more attention from everyone, like reviews like myself or BG Tech Life or Android Stud, Mr. J Will, the other YouTubers that are going to make videos on this phone, even putting it against the S25 Ultra. The only thing that OnePlus doesn't have working for it right now is that it's not in the carriers, unfortunately. Yes, you can get it at Best Buy, but even when you go to Best Buy, unless you are really a techie, you don't really know what OnePlus is. I went to work the other day and told them I had a new phone. I told them the OnePlus, and they was like, huh, the who, the what? what do you call it? The only person I knew it was this maintenance guy that actually is a techie. He likes cell phones, and he knew what OnePlus was, but everybody else was like, what is that? And showed them the phone, and they loved the build quality. The first thing they went look for was the cameras. We took a couple pictures, and they're like, oh, the cameras seem solid. So to get the word out, us YouTubers will have to do it. We'll have to make sure that people know about this OnePlus 13. But I think overall, if the reviewers or influencers are true to themselves, they're going to pick the OnePlus 13 as the phone of the year. I just don't see any other phone coming out this year that might beat it. Now, I know it's early, and the S25, even though it seems like it's almost the same as the S24 Ultra, it may come out swinging. It may be the best phone ever, but for right now, it just seems like it's missing something lackluster. It's been almost the same every year, and I'm a Samsung fanboy. Like I said, I have been having Samsung forever now. With LG out the game, HTC doesn't make any, and now this is in the US. I know overseas, you still have Huawei's, you still have Xiaomi, you still have all these other Oppo, you still have all these other companies making great phones, but I think in the US, this phone probably will be the phone of the year for us US consumers. And I mean, the iPhone 17 is probably going to be pretty boring. Yes, it looks like almost like a Google Pixel now, if the renders are true. The Note series probably will be almost the same as the Note 6. I mean, not Note, the Fold and Flip series will probably be very similar to the Flip 6 and the Fold 6. Motorola, I don't think it will have enough power to make a flagship winning phone. So this phone right here in front of you, because of the IP69 rating, because of the cameras improving, because of the 4K, 8K video on here improving, because of the bigger battery, the battery life, the 80-watt charging, you may be looking at the phone of the year. And for the overall price of $899 right now, name a better phone. And look at the future in the US market and tell me what phone may be the phone of the year. Y'all let me know. Let's have a friendly discussion in the comments. Do you think that this phone can hold phone of the year for the rest of the year? just look at the phones, think about the phones that are going to come out. Will any other phone beat this phone in the USA at this point? And I don't think so. And shout out to the Oppo Find N2. I need to charge this thing. I haven't used that in a while. But if we were in a different country, yeah, maybe Oppo, maybe Xiaomi, maybe Huawei could release something that would beat this OnePlus 13. But right now, I don't think anything is. So that's just my opinion. Just want to make this fun little video. Y'all let me know. Am I crazy? Am I talking out of my head? Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.